Earnings season underway, and earnings are fine. I was told that earnings would not be fine, but earnings are fine. Coming up here on the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:35 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It is October 12th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. I want to start off with Pepsico. Earnings were the belt pretty good. 9% increase in revenue. It's sort of in line with inflation. Some declines in volumes, but listen, here's the thing, guys. When you have inflation, that means companies are charging higher prices. That means earnings from a nominal basis go up and make stocks appear less expensive. From a price to earnings ratio, if earnings grow and the price stays the same, makes stocks a relatively better investment over the long term. In the short term, all of the fear and all of the negativity will certainly overwhelm markets at time, but in the end, economies do tend to grow as folks innovate and consume additional objects that they desire. Now, does this mean we don't hedge? No, we always want to have safety in a portfolio. Does this mean we really push down the gas and add leverage where we get stuck? No, it doesn't. But it does mean long-term we are believers in the economy. It does mean long-term we think news, specifically bad news, sells, earnings, buy. Last but not least, I've got two more stories. Why am I saying last but not least? Got mortgage rates. 6.81% continue to be a dampener on housing. Where's housing right now? Not very popular. Ultimately, we have a structural shortage. It's just the facts of the matter, right? We have millennials looking to buy homes. There not being enough homes available. Low cost, new, inexpensive homes. That's where the dollars are at. McMansion's not where the dollars are at because financing costs are too high and people aren't going to upgrade off of bad rates. If you are making moves in the sector, that's where you look. The economics and incentives are just there. Last but not least, wouldn't be a day if I didn't talk about Russian energy. Now we've got the Druzhba pipeline. It goes through Poland, brings oil to Germany. It's leaking. Not good. We've got French refinery workers still on strike. Europe's taking an energy crisis that they say is created by Russia, and they're compounding it. They're like, oh, we're just not going to pay our oil refinery workers, which we could use to substitute diesel for gas. Got pipeline leaks. We've got pipeline explosions under the sea. They're double and tripling down on disaster, folks. I just hope it's a warm winter. Honestly, I hope that we don't see extreme price spikes this winter due to cold weather and folks potentially running out of energy on the continent. You gotta feel for folks that are really been misled by politicians over the last 5 to 10 years in terms of not investing in energy and being led down a path of green BS, quite frankly. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Till then, you, your family, hope you have a really good rest of your Wednesday. I'm out.